Less than 24 hours for NDTV and Dettol's flagship program, Banega Swasth India. And tomorrow we're going to be launching the campaign with our campaign ambassador, the 11th season, the second decade, which also makes this one of India's longest running public health campaigns. Let me give you some figures. Till today, the campaign has helped inform 380 million people, reached out to over 1 million schools and 10 million new moms with messages on self-care. And we have a very special guest with us, somebody who's been working on this campaign since the very beginning, Ravi Bhatnagar from Reckitt. Thanks, Ravi, and congratulations on this journey.
Thank you so much.
Ravi, to begin with, I think I would want to ask you, we've seen how this campaign really has changed lives, and you've also seen it closely. You worked very, very closely. We've seen the kind of dedication with you, what you, your team, and the partners on ground have done. You know, we've covered over 10 years, and we're launching season 11. Tell us one thing that keeps Banega Swasth India just going on and on.
Yeah. First of all, thank you NDTV to be a wonderful partner with Reckitt from over a decade now. We are entering into the season 11. I'm super excited, and I'm very thankful to the leadership at Reckitt and our hundreds of partners in India and outside India who have been continuously, giving their weight to this program, supporting this program. And I must say, like, the foundation of any program which is so long is the trust. And I can also tell you, it's very overwhelming to see the progress numbers in terms of the aspirational blocks, in terms of the aspirational districts where we have worked. It's very interesting to see how we started our journey from 1500 schools and now reaching 1 million schools. There was a time we were working with around 10,000 kids, from 10,000 kids to 30 million kids under the, Dettol National Olympiad, which is a national competition. There has been a lot which has been going on. And then the program has given us so much power, the power of passion, the power of perseverance, the power of the NDTV channel, the power of the brand Dettol. Like, we think, it's incredible for us, to come on this journey and to achieve more together in the times to come.
I mean, you put that so beautifully. So that one word, would I say that you say it's trust that keeps the campaign going?
Yeah. Trust is the foundation for the good health. Like, globally we sometimes say, like, there can be other things also. The world peace is also required. Peace in India is also required. An environment is required under which you operate, your businesses operate. I'm very thankful to this government also in India. It's also a very important milestone when the Swachh Bharat mission is also completing its 10 years. And it's a very beautiful journey. To put it right, I remember when the first few news articles came on TV, in TV2, we saw, there were some leaves, there were 10 people collected together, and they were, it looked like it's a photo of opportunity. But when the maiden call came from the Prime Minister Modi himself, that was very, very transformational. That motivated a lot of us. Millions of people participated. And I'm very happy, we will be discussing tomorrow about our work on sanitation and the intersection of sanitation and health also on the 11th season of BSI.
Yes, absolutely right, Ravi. But like you said, trust is the foundation. Similarly, when we talk about the campaign, we've been trying to spread the message about how important and critical hand washing and hygiene is, and it saves millions of lives. So tell us, why is hand washing so important in brief?
Yeah, it's one of the very cheapest way to safeguard ourselves from hospitalization, from the hospitalization bills, and also, hygiene is a foundation of good health. If we fall sick very regularly, one of the reasons is the bacteria sitting at our hands. If we take care of ourselves, we can be, safe from many GI infections. One of the biggest killers among the under 5 kids is the diarrhea. The second one is the pneumonia. And there's a direct linkage between the hygiene and this disease, which are preventable disease actually. So it's more important in these days when now the COVID is over. But it's also the starting of the other public health disease, like the zoonotic disease as well as the others. And we see there is this very strong intersection between the climate, health, environment, germs, bacteria, and overall well-being. And how beautiful it is, I'm very proud, as a citizen of India. There are hardly, few countries which I know which have invested significantly into the geriatric care and the geriatric insurance. So under the Ayushman Bharat, the people who are on the age 70 plus also, they're also now getting benefit from the government schemes under the Ayushman Bharat. What a beautiful country we live in, and I owe everything to this country.
Ravi, I know this is a tough one. I'm putting you on the spot. One word, when I say Banega Swasth India, what comes to your mind? I mean, it's obviously 10 years, completion, tough one, but tell us.
Health. Health is a foundation. This comes to my mind.
So tomorrow we are going to be talking about health, hygiene, and like you rightly said, the intersection. So please stay tuned tomorrow as we launch the 11th season of the NDTV-Dettol Banega Swasth India campaign with our campaign ambassador Ayushman Khurrana. So please stay tuned, 9 a.m. only on NDTV Network.